Hello students, I am going to revise chapter number 4, determinant. Previous year's board questions, one more questions, very easy. Question number 1, find x if modulus of -1, 2, 4, 8 is equal to determinant of 2x, x minus 4. Find the value of x. How can you solve this question? Just finding the determinant. Yes, question number 1. Determinant of this -1 into 8, minus 8, and this is 4 into 2, 8 is equal to the determinant of this minus 8 and the minus x square. Similarly, mostly students solve this question by comparing method, but it is not possible. It is possible in matrix only, correct? Careful about this point. You know that this to this cancel, and minus x square is equal to minus 8, and therefore x square is equal to 8, and taking square root of both sides, then you will get root 8. X is equal to plus minus root 8. Root 8 means when you simplify 4 into 2, then it becomes that is 2 root 2. Answer. These are very simple questions. One more question, board question. Yeah. Now try to solve this question. Second question, find the value of p. Second question, find the value of p. Find the value of p such that the matrix -1, 2, 4 p is singular. Right? Singular matrix. Can you tell me what is singular matrix? Who can define singular matrix? Singular matrix means in which the determinant of the matrix is 0. Singular matrix. Again, one more question. Singular matrix, the matrix in which the determinant of the matrix is 0, then it is called singular matrix. Therefore, here matrix is given -1, 2, 4 p, and the determinant of this matrix should be 0 because it is singular matrix given. Therefore, determinant of this, find the determinant. Same procedure, minus p minus 8 is equal to 0. Simply determinant minus p minus 8 is equal to 0. First you multiply this, then minus this, 4 to the 8. And the value of p is, when you transfer this side, value of p is minus 8. This is the answer. This is question number 2. Now, can you tell me some properties of the determinant? Yes. A into A inverse is equal to what? A into A inverse. And adjoint of A into A is equal to what? Clear? Who can tell? A into A inverse formula. A into A inverse is equal to I. Okay? And this is the theorem. Adjoint of A into A. Think. Which theorem? How can I type? That is A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. Very important, this theorem. Mostly one question asked in the board. Yes, next property. Can you tell me the property of this? AB determinant. Determinant of A to determinant of B. This is the property. And who can tell IA is equal to what? IA. When you multiply identity matrix with another matrix, the result is same. IA is equal to E. I is equal to A, or you can say AI. This is a very important result. I did that AB whole inverse. AB whole inverse. This is the property, very important property. You know that B inverse, A inverse, B inverse, A inverse. And the next one more property also. AB is equal to BA is equal to I. If AB is equal to I, then you can say A is the inverse of B and B is the inverse of A. A is the inverse of B and B is the inverse of A. This is very important property. And can you tell me this property, that is K into determinant of A? Yes. Who can tell about this property? Yes. Who can tell? Can you tell this property? The property is equal to K to the power n determinant of A, where n is the order of matrix, where n is the order of matrix, where n is the order of matrix. These are very important properties of determinant. Other, can you tell me A inverse? Formula for finding the A inverse. Formula for finding the A inverse. You know that adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. This is the formula. And you know that determinant of A is not equal to 0. This is an important formula. And another formula you can find, correct? Also, can you tell me non-singular matrix? Non-singular matrix. How can tell non-singular matrix? The matrix is said to be non-singular matrix if their determinant is not equal to 0. If their determinant is not equal to 0. This is non-singular matrix. Very important point in the determinant. Okay, and with the help of this term, very important. With the help of this term, you can find the determinant without expanding. You can find the determinant without expanding. Clear? These are some important properties of determinant. In chapter 3rd, chapter number 3rd, 3.4 exercise 3.4 deleted, and chapter 4, 4.6 exercise question number 1 to 6 and 4.2 complete. This is the deleted portion of chapter number 4 and 3rd. Right? Now we solve one more question. Yes. If determinant of A is equal to minus 4. Find the determinant of adjoint of this. And A is a non-singular matrix of order 3. A is a non-singular matrix of order 3. Order 3. 3 to 3. Formula you know. Adjoint of A, that is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1. You can apply this formula, very important formula. Apply here, determinant of A to the power n. N means order of matrix, that is 3. 3 minus 1. It means determinant of A to the power 2. And put the value of determinant of E. Determinant of A is minus 4. It means 16 is the answer. One question, board question. Correct? Next. Next question. If points 2, 0 and 0, 5, 0, 5 and xy are collinear, then show that x by 2 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. Correct? Area of triangle, can you tell me the formula? Area of triangle. Area of triangle formula, you know. Half. Put the vertices of the triangle ABC. I can put here 2, 0, 0, 5, x, y, 1, 1, 1. If the points are collinear, then area of the triangle must be 0. You know very well. And now expand by R1. Expanding by R1. Find the determinant, simple. Expanding by R1 to first row, first column cancel. First row, first column cancel. That is 5 minus y plus 1, this 1. And it is the element of A13. A13, it means first row and third column delete. First row and third column delete. Cross multiply. That is 0 minus 5x. That is equal to 0. When you simplify, 10 minus 2y. When you simplify, expanding by R1, this cancel, 5 minus 5 plus this will cancel, that is 0 minus 5x. 0 minus 5x. Here minus 5x is equal to 0. This 2 is multiplied by 0, then the result is 0. Therefore you can say 2y plus 5x, 2y plus 5x is equal to 10. Now can you convert the equation in the form of intercept form? Intercept form, you know, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So now dividing both sides by 10. Dividing both sides by 10. You will get x by 2 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. This is your answer, correct? Now your homework, revise chapter 3rd and 4th, and assignment also. Try to solve all the assignment in your separate copy. Okay, thank you.